Celebrating is the right word. I don't know if that's the right term. Honoring Ramadan.
Create or migrate is that good?
That didn't work.
Yeah, it's working now. Your hosting is not set up yet. Okay, 1 second. Can you stop share your screen? So here we need create website and definitely WordPress. This is your email and this is your password. I'm sending to you.
Mhm. Do I need it now, or can you just
Yeah,
leave
you
it?
need the password. Keep it in
Okay.
your mind or anywhere. Save it.
Okay.
Yeah. We need blank. I will do manually. And here would be your domain. What we selected? I want to check
So,
there.
health and happiness
Okay.
dot shop, I think.
Health and maybe happiness and health.
Health and happiness. What, I'm sorry.
Maybe we selected happiness and health.
No, no, I wanted it's because everything else is health and happiness.
1 second. It's showing this is not available.
That's huh.
This is happiness and health dot shop.
Where does it show? How do I find out where that is? Domains. Click under here. Domain portfolio. Huh. Doesn't say we registered one.
Okay, okay, this is got it.
You got it?
Yes.
What is it?
Happiness and health dot shop.
Oh no, I wanted health and happiness.
Okay, that's not available.
Is what?
Hmm. Okay, let's try again.
No.
That is not available. Health and happiness. Dot store available, but dot shop is not available.
Huh. Didn't we just buy one? What did we just buy?
This is free. No need to buy it.
Oh. Oh, okay. Um, we did, oh, we haven't set that up yet. I thought we already did that. Health and happiness dot store is not available.
Yeah, this is available. The dot
Health,
store is available, but dot shop is not available.
oh, shop is not available.
Yes.
It was. You had it before.
Yeah, there was the reverse, happiness and health.
Oh, no. Health and happy. And is shop happiness and health won't work?
Yeah, that's shop happiness and health. This is available, I think. .com and here will be the shop. Shop health and happiness.com. This is available.
Yeah, how about that?
Okay, sure.
Let me see. Yeah, I think that'll work. Shop health and happiness. I like that.
Okay. Okay, then let's go with it.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Can you check the spelling? They are okay or not?
Wait, let me just like shop HELTH and happiness.com. Perfect.
Okay. Okay, select it. Oh, okay. It's free domain included. Then who is asking fee? It should be free, but it's taken. But why?
I don't know. I thought that's what we just paid for. Or we paid up for just the hosting? Is that what we paid?
Yes, yes. But this is maybe the offer is expired. They also, uh, I mean, uh, they offer free domain for the hosting. I think the offer is expired.
Ah, all right.
So which plan I have to choose? 3 year, 2 year, or 1 year?
Um, this the 3 year.
3 year. Okay. Here is option for coupon. Let me add. 1 second. I think it should be work now. Oh, this is doesn't exit. Wait, wait. 1 second. Let me try. Oh, the coupon is not working here.
Can you share your screen again?
1 second.
Yeah, because it's really it. Can you share your screen again?
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. Oh, where is the zoom? Yes.
Why didn't?
This is the last one. Oh, okay. Coupon is not working.
Interesting, because I mean, should it let you be able to purchase it? That's odd.
Maybe I'm able to do. Okay. Should I purchase it?
Yeah, but that's interesting because as an ad, I mean, that's interesting that you process my credit card.
No, 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 no. Actually, yeah, you given the permission last time.
Yeah. Oh, I
Uh,
didn't. Yeah, I
yeah,
didn't think they'd let you do that. That's interesting. Yeah. Hmm.
processing. After installation the WordPress, you can remove my access because here is working your payment gateway. It's not secure.
Yeah, that's just interesting that they let you process that. That I didn't know that I mean, I trust you, but I don't know if I trust other people.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, why
I
get
guess.
a domain online? What domain? Continue setup, but already I did. Oh my god.
Shop health and
Can you
happiness.
check your card? The payment is works or not?
Mm.
Maybe that is not work. Uh,
Oh, let's claim your free domain right here.
yeah, really?
Yeah.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
The payment is not work because I am not admin.
Okay, that's actually good. They shouldn't, I mean, really, unless you're the person, you
Yeah.
shouldn't to do that. All right. Okay, I said
Yes,
shop.
only
Let me
yes,
just, oh, I'm sharing screen. I forgot.
please. And here select.com. Not here, not here. Remove the .com. Yeah, on the right side, see .in. Here select.com.
Oh,
Showing already registered.
hmm. We just did it, so we must already own it.
Okay. Can you go to your dashboard, please? Just log in again hosting. Remove everything. I'm the hostinger. Yes. Continue creating or migrate the site. Click it. Yeah. Okay. It's on now. Okay. US.
Mhm. Arizona. Where's it getting Arizona?
You can keep right now.
I don't want just Arizona. All right.
This is doesn't matter actually. Okay. Okay. The setup is done. So I have to go with the demo, probably furniture, right?
Um, yeah, is that you think that's the best one to do what we're gonna do?
Yes. And here, I could start the work without the processing the theme, but you have to buy when it's done. But if you want, you can
I
also
have to
buy
buy
now.
what? Sorry,
Buy
say
the
that.
theme.